Alright boys, early in the morning today we're gonna tackle intercooler piping. Hopefully we have enough. This is the leftover from two trucks, which would be the Sierra and the Yukon. So yeah, hopefully we have enough with that. I'm gonna have plenty of couplers, so hopefully we have enough with this.
Recycle.
Yeah, we're gonna try to recycle, try to save some money and recycle.
Budget build.
Yeah, it's a budget build. It's a stock bike 3. So yeah, that's what we're gonna tackle today. But right now we have to head to the store to buy some parts for some other thing, but that's for later.
Secret.
Yeah, it's a little secret. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the store right now, get the parts, head back, and then we'll get started on this. Alright, so I just got this pipe cut exactly how I did a little trim spot right here. That should be pushed out. I do want to make this go a little bit lower, tucked in more. It's touching the fuse box, but still I want to get this to drop a little bit more. And then I don't want to cut this. This is the air dam or whatever to make this flimsy. But yeah, I cut the straight piece. I cut it. This one's a little bit longer than. But yeah, so I went ahead and cut it. I really like how this fits. Boom, I really wish there wasn't a coupler right here, just because when the bumper's on, it's gonna be a little bit hard to get to. There'll be like more of a chance for a boot slick, whatever. So I really wish I could bolt a 90 right here, but I think this coupler would be perfect. This is fine. Oh, and then coming out with this piece, a little bit too long right now, but we'll get this little bead cut off, and then this welded on right there, and then we'll just either have to go buy one at Summit or order one. This is a 4-inch and this is 3-inch piping. So yeah, so this will go like this. This is just a 3-inch coupler and just a coupler like this to make it line up good. So basically this driver's side is now done. Alright boys, so that's where we're gonna finish this off for today, I guess, since I got the wrong V-band. We don't have the coupler for this, and I don't know how to weld. I was gonna say I don't know how to weld aluminum, but I don't know how to weld at all. So yeah, gonna have to wait up on the fabricator right now. So yeah, this is how far we got. I just need to pick up the V-band from Summit. I actually found that they do have the right one that I need, so I'm gonna return this one and get the right one that I do need. So gonna go get that done. I think maybe I'm gonna try today, but if not, tomorrow morning, and we just have to lose half a day again. But either way, gonna go do that right now.
A lot of precise movements. You get a stick, it sticks on these, it sticks on thin, and then you gotta go keep going to make it big. Fix this, make it big.
Alright, well anyways.
Huh?
I am. Alright, so I didn't record the clamp that I got, but it's a different type of clamp. It has like a little. So this piece is 3 inches. As you can see, it is 3 inches, but the little ring, it's 4 1/4 or something like that. So you have to get like a special V-band for it. So got that, and I was planning on getting this welded, but it has a little ring, perfect for a clamp or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and put a clamp on it right there. 90 degree it from right there to so that this pipe just needs to be cut somewhere like right here or whatever. Cut somewhere right there, boom, get it welded to this, and the whole intercooler piping. Oh, actually we'll still need this pipe welded. Get back to it. Hopefully, I'm not sure if the fabricator come today, but if not, then we have him
Yeah, we're gonna. I got the little water right here.
Little Harbor Freight.
We're gonna take this on, bitch. How much you're cutting? Like 2.5 inches, right? You said?
Yeah.
You want it like right here? Yeah, we'll get it done.
What do you mean, like over here?
Yeah, we'll cut it here, weld it here. We'll get it done. We'll get it fitted right there.
Alright, so we're gonna go eat and we'll come back. Alright guys, so I hit him up. Said he has time, so we're taking the pipes, get them. I forgot we had to get the intake air temp bung welded too, and the blow off valve flange. Hopefully, I told him I just needed 2 cut, but I forgot to tell him about this or whatever. So hopefully he can do this for us too. I think he will. Nah, I know he will. So yeah, we're gonna head that way right now. Get this shit done with, so we can get this shit on and started. Alright, so we're here at the welders at Charlie's garage. Let's knock it out for us real quick. If we need extra piping, we have some right here. Yeah. Then we start and I'll start recording.
Then we got another buddy to kind of like piece together the harness to do something.
The worst fucking side.
Alright, get the good side. Oh. Alright, okay, yeah.
I need from the best side.
Not that one.
Where's some consistent dime stackers?
It's terrible down.
This one's gonna show.
Consistency.
Oh, Rodrigo took it out.
No, he was. Right here. Hey, the only time is 60 feet, man. No mames. We're gonna go a whole
Mile?
Don't go that far.
They took it out, Rodrigo.
First L?
First L ever.
Hey.
Watch out, watch out.
Yeah. It's my big ass, your big ass, and his big ass.
Oh!
Hey,
Don't be talking about me like that, dog.
I don't appreciate you talking about.
Hey, but aren't y'all in here? Yeah,
Well, yeah, but we're not big ass.
Okay. How do I say? You bug his ass.
He's just mad because he lost.
Hell,
He took it out.
Still y'all in here, y'all cousin me 1,000 pounds, man.
So you had him for the first. Call out on Pascual whenever my shit's running.
What?
Pascual's gonna get gapped
By what?
whenever my shit's going. The neighbor's turbo.
What do you mean whack? The shorter the better. Alright guys, so the whole coast side is now finished. Thanks to yeah, the blow valve, intake air temp, this thing, nice dimes. Now we just gotta go test fit it. If it don't fit, we're gonna bring it back. So we're gonna go test fit it. And we'll bring it back. Good luck. Alright guys, so we just got back from fab shop and I want to test fit the pipe real quick. Ooh, look at this. All the clamps, I just wanted to put it on real quick. But yes sir, it fits up nice. It's a little snug on this side, but this is the size it eyeball it. So it fits good. It's nice, yes sir. Just need to put all the clamps on it now, and we should be good. And I love how we came up right here instead of having to cut this, make this real weak. So now it's still firm, whatever. So yeah, looking good. Simple. I kind of missed the spot right here. I thought this was gonna end up being like right here, but it looks fine.
That's good, Gary.
So yeah, intercooler piping is now done. Next step is clamps and clean it up.
Put the bumper on.
Oh, and put the bumper on. Yeah, well, yeah, get all that crap done. My vlogging setup.
Oh yeah, that looks better.
But I did it. We didn't get to go to the car meet like we were planning to. Maybe we can hit one up tomorrow. But that shouldn't be in this vlog. Cause I need to put one out tomorrow. So yeah.
Friday.
Intercooler's done. Intercooler piping's done. Just need the clamps.
The hot side is
Hot side.
not leaking anymore.
Yeah, I had a leak on the hot side from the flange, from the manifold to where the hot side starts. But that was my fault. I didn't tighten the bolts all the way. So yeah, now we are done. Just buttoning stuff up now. So subscribe. Here, take it out.
No.
Alright guys, so if you made it this far in the video, appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I know it's another boring video, yeah, update, a little boring, but it's just what we've been doing, we've been working on. We're trying to get it done. If we can get it and go do burnouts and all the other crap, which got us do this to do that, right? So yeah, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Next video should be on and doing a burnout. Yeah, hopefully cruising by then. Alright guys, peace.